Like, seriously. Oh, wait, yo, hey, bro, on my mom. Hey, cuz. Hey, come on, Habibi. Come on, Habibi. Hey, bro, I swear if this motherfucker. Ah, what the fuck? I'm about to beat your motherfucking. Hey, do it again. What is wrong with you, boy? Don't be doing that to me. I'm a grown-ass man. Just bit my damn ear.
Look at this picture.
The fuck?
Look at this picture.
The fuck? Bounce that ass. Bounce. 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 Yo, this is funny, man. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
My friend, I just started my trip, so I will be there about 6 o'clock.
So this is. Hey. Relax.
Oh shit. Oh, I thought she took a shit.
What is he biting on? Why his tongue look black?
It's food, is it?
Hey, bounce. Hey, bounce. Oh, hey. Oh. Bro, can you talk? I thought Parrots talk. They don't talk?
They talk.
Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Salam alaikum. Oh, I forgot. They speak Arabic.
Yeah, Arabic. Some Arabic.
Hey, Falak Habibi. Allahu Akbar.
Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Habibi. Bismillah. He don't speak Arabic. What do you speak, German?
Arabic and English and everything.
Chinese.
What is talking to these guys?
Hey. He eat it. See, look, he eat it. See, look. Hey. They call me a bird expert.
Oh, this is your.
What?
Oh, your hair. Yeah. See your hair.
What is you biting on? You want to give me a kiss?
Take a look what it.
Bro, was that my earring? No, he bit my earring. Oh, that wasn't my earring. What is that? What is you biting on? Give me a kiss.
Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum. I'm about to come in, Habibi.
Kiss her, just kiss her fast.
All right, kiss her fast.
No, fast.
This motherfucker gonna bite me. I got a feeling he gonna bite me. Bro, watch out, bro. You want a kiss too? Damn. All right, bro. I'm sweating. See, look, he chilling, bro. Relax. Come on, go to him. Go to him. Go to him. There you go. Now let me go to my baby. My baby monkey. He likes we speak the same language. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Come on, salam alaikum. Ooh, so cute. So where do they pee at? I don't see their dick.
Yeah, take a look. What?
I'm sorry, bro. Damn.
Excuse me, it's female.
Oh, it's a female? Oh, so she got mad. Oh, I'm sorry for misgendering you.
She's shy from you now.
Okay, all right. I didn't know that you had a cooler cat. Relax. Can I take a look?
Kiss him, kiss here, kiss.
Can I get a kiss, baby?
Yes, can give you.
Motherfucker. Hey, dude, I promise you, wallahi. I promise you, bro, if you bite me, bro, I'm gonna be mad. All right? Motherfucker.
Hey, yo,
Wallah.
Bye-bye.
She wanna mate with me.
Yeah, she likes you anyway.
How do I mate with a
Yeah,
bird?
really, she likes you. Take a look at you.
I know she likes me. She might want another kiss in a minute.
Yeah, see,
She
take a
likes
look.
me.
1 second.
She likes
1
me.
second.
She likes me. Oh yeah. She likes me. What is that thing on her tongue though? It looks like a black Pete or something. What is that?
Baba. Baba.
My body on your body, baby. I'm about to catch a body in your baby. My head? No, no, no. No, no.
Don't worry.
My head? No, I got hair.
Yeah, it's okay. So what?
It's gonna pull like my hair nappy, bro.
Nothing. Don't.
It, my hair's nappy.
Take a look. Take a look.
No, I don't want.
Really? You're so weird. You're so weird. So weird. The fuck?
Go. He's scared.
She don't want to go in that nasty.
Yeah, she likes you.
I know. She want to mate with me, don't you, baby?
She kiss you. Oh.
Yeah, I like that. Tell me a secret. I like that, baby. Let me tell you a secret.
Yeah, she kissing you.
It's okay, baby. I know. But after this, I'm gonna take you to my room. You know, we gonna have fun. You know, I'm gonna take you on a date. It's like that. You know. How old are you? You 19? That's cool. I'm 19 too, baby. So any baby you want, I got you. All right. Between me and you. I know. Calm down, baby. What's your story? I know you, baby. My body on your body, baby. Me about to catch a body on your baby. Love the way you grind on me. Cause I'm about to catch a body on your baby. Oh yeah. It's going down. I'm about to catch a body. She fell in love, baby. I got that riz, bro. I can pull anything. A monkey, a lion, a tiger, a bird.
Okay, Nick is snack.
Nick a snack. Damn. She all up in my face. She wants some speed, don't she? She wants some of that speed. Give me a kiss.
The Parrot opened my camera.
All right, yalla. Oh, she gave me a kiss. Do it again. Oh, wait. Wait, what does that mean? Like she want to mate? She want to kiss? Oh, my fault. Oh, my baby too. Oh, I am an animal person, bro. Like I know how to communicate with animals. Like chat, I'm like the, hey, what you doing? Like you know, like I know how to communicate with animals. It's okay. Yalla. All right, you want to go? I think I'm done. Yeah. No, I know you don't want to leave me. Relax. It's okay, baby. I thought birds can sing. I watched the movie where birds know how to sing. Well, she went, all right, okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Just touch it. Speed.
Huh?
Touch it.
Touch it? Soft head. I love animals.
She's jealous. Take a look.
Oh, you jealous? Okay. Hey, Karen, relax. You know what we be doing. It's like I'm about to cheat right in front of your face, and you ain't gonna do nothing about it. I'm about to cheat right in front of I'm about to cheat on her. Yeah, you see? You mad?
Look.
She's
jealous.
You mad? Chill, babe. Relax, babe. Babe, relax. Babe, I'm the man in this relationship. I'm the man.
She put her hair up too.
I don't care. Bro, hey, okay, babe, chill. Babe, relax. Hey, babe, chill.
Show it to her. Show it.
I'm the man. Oh, babe, chill, babe. I want to break up. No, I'm sorry. Yalla. Hey, what does that mean? Her feathers are going up or something. What is this, a bird or what is this, an ostrich?
She actually likes me.
I love you. Oh, see, she ain't mad, but watch this. I want to break up. Oh, you okay? We're good then. Yalla. Come on. No pictures? Finish. Huh? Bye, baby. Bye, baby.
Relax to carry it.
Bye.
Oh, she loves you.
I know. Bye.
She love you.
I know she loves me. You love me. I'm sorry. I gotta leave though. I'll come back to Dubai. Yeah. Maybe we can do something, all right? Call me. Wait, what is this for the bird? You want one? Oh, okay. You want one? I ain't no monkeys can eat popcorn. Yeah, come to me. Come to me. Yeah, look at Nah, come to me. If you want more, you gotta come to me. Nah, hey.
I was trying to bring it to you.
Hey, she gonna start. Hey, no. Don't let her leave. Come to me. Hamdallah. Yep. We living life.
We live a life. Shingy. Oh, ask him, maybe he knows Shingy.
Oh yeah. So look, do you know who Shingy is?
He's a big, famous rapper.
Bro, that's so it's so weird that nobody knows. No
This
Shingy.
one, yeah.
He came here before.
A lot of people coming here, daily around 3,000, 5,000 daily. How I remember it.